Welcome to our video walkthrough on how to use the Remote Impactor Kit from Lighthouse Worldwide Solutions. Let's get started. Take your remote impactor base and your 10 liter per minute orifice barb and join them together using the port on the side of the impactor base. Turning by hand, clockwise, until a seal can be confirmed. Once that is complete, place your magnetic Petri holder into the remote impactor base, turning until the magnetic seal is achieved. Now add your sample media. Complete this process by adding your impactor head on top of the impactor base, turning by hand, clockwise, until a good seal has been achieved. At this point, take your vacuum tubing and connect one end of your tubing to your house vacuum system. The other end of your tubing connects to the orifice barb on the impactor base. You are now ready to begin sampling. You can also set up your remote impactor base so that it samples from the bottom and not the side port. In order to accomplish this, take a regular screwdriver and remove the plug from the bottom of the impactor base. The system is fully modular, meaning that the same plug from the bottom of your impactor base can also be used on the side of the impactor base. Once the plug is inserted into the side of the impactor base, you may now utilize the orifice barb of your choice to gain sampling from the bottom of the impactor base. Tighten clockwise by hand until a good seal is ensured. Now you're ready to begin sampling from the bottom of the impactor base.